What's up, VIPs? We have the Kavaca paint protection film from Ceramic Pro. We are located at 389 North US Highway 1792 in Longwood, Florida. We also have another location at 85 West Michigan in Orlando, Florida. So if you're in the Orlando area and you want to protect your investment, which is your vehicle that's driving down the I-4 roads, which have tons of debris and rocks and a lot of construction going on, this is the 12-year warranty paint protection film designed to protect your car. Let me bring you to the garage and we'll show you a vehicle that we're doing currently. One moment here. We have the 5.0 Mustang, which we're doing the paint protection film. If you can see, all of the edges, it's called bulking, so we're actually wrapping all the edges. This way you don't see the edge number one, and it looks like a factory paint job where you barely notice the Kavaca on the vehicle. But take a look, all edges are being wrapped, all vents are taken out and wrapped underneath. This way it's a seamless installation. You can take a look at that gloss on the Kavaca paint protection film. Looks super nice and glossy, almost better than the paint itself. So we'll be doing this whole fender, front bumper, we're doing the side mirrors over here, we're doing the headlights and the whole hood. So this client's gonna be going with the full front paint protection film from Kavaca, and definitely excited that he's doing it because this car only has 325 miles. He's noticed a couple of chips already and he's like, we got to get this done. So he's super excited that he'll have protection for the 12 years of the life of his car. So take a look, see how glossy and shiny that is. And we are window tints over here in Orlando, Florida. So if you need some paint protection film for your vehicle, don't hesitate, give us a call, and we can definitely take care of you.